Hi, it's Audrey here of Sharefarming. I'm here this morning to do a video on timesheets. I know I did one a few weeks ago, about 3 or 4 weeks ago, but there's been a new piece of legislation that has been passed, and I'm sharing the information just to help people to be compliant and up to date with relevant legislation. So on the 14th of May, the Court of Justice for the EU passed on a bill, and it was very clear on what it stated. It stated that it requires employers to have a reliable and accessible system enabling the duration of time worked each day by each worker to be measured. So when trying to explain the piece of legislation, it really stressed the importance of recording rest breaks as well. So every business has to record hours for every single person on a daily basis and record the rest breaks. From our experience as well, I would say it's really important to annotate when somebody's on a day off. What is it? So rather than, it would be normal just to say day off, but is it holiday? Is it rostered time off? Is it sick day? What is it? Because when you're going to calculate or gather your information later, it's just a lot easier. There's a man there. So the purpose of it is to protect employees. So the maximum hours in Irish agriculture that a person can work is a maximum of 48 hours per week over a rolling 6-month period. So how does it affect Irish legislation? Well, we've had the Working Time Organisation Act for a number of years, and that has always stated that we need to be recording hours. So this ruling from the European Court of Justice is basically backing it up. But what it is saying is that with this new ruling there has been new penalties brought into place, and the penalties are €1,900 if you're found not to have this measure in place. And for every day that the offence continues, you're liable for €635 per day that it continues. So I would say what's really important is they've stated it needs to be reliable. So whether that is an automated or online or paper, but that you're checking it every week and signing it off. Rest breaks recorded, really important. Days off, is it roster time off? What is it? And that you're managing it, that it is within the 48 hours per week over a rolling 6-month period. If anybody has any questions, feel free to email me. It's Audrey@sharefarming.ie, and I hope that was of some use. Thank you.